Okay, so the first thing that you want to do to make this a quiz, well, you can check to see if it's a quiz. When you click on your questions, you notice that there's not any place to select the correct answer. So you want to come up here to this little gear box on the top, and that's your settings. So when you click on settings, there's a couple things that you want to take out. You want to take out restrict users in Pittsburgh Public Schools because it'll require them to sign on again, and limit to one response. You want to unclick these because that's going to make them sign in with their email addresses. Anything like that, for example, this option on the top, collect email addresses, you want to take off. For some reason, because of some of the restrictions that our administrators have on our Google accounts, having those options selected just creates problems. So then go into, I don't think there's anything in presentation that you need to worry about. For some reason, this isn't working. That's what we want. Okay. When you go into presentation, there's a couple options here. You can show a progress bar if it's a longer assessment or longer quiz, so students know how much of the quiz they have left. Shuffle question order, a good one too. So that way that students all have a different quiz if you're worried about students sitting beside each other, but obviously we don't have to worry about that right now. But then when you click this, make this a quiz, down here another option appears and it says you can release the grade immediately after each submission. That way students can see how they did right after they finish it. But if you do that, that might prompt them to want to go back in and retake it. And anytime they retake a quiz, you can see that they retook the quiz. So you don't have to select any second or third chances that they might try to attempt. But I'm just going to say later after manual review, nope, I can't do that because it turns on email collection. I don't want to do that. So I guess we'll do it immediately after each submission. Press save. So now when you go back in, you can see that there's an answer key option on the bottom. So when you click that answer key option, you have the option of how many points you want to make your quiz. And you can also go in and select the right answer, multiple answers if there's multiple right answers. I'm going to take the points off. And you can do that for every question. Remember, click on the question, then click on answer key, and you'll be able to see it 0 points. You can mark it required like you could before it was quiz too. But yeah, so I'm going to take how did that get marked? I'm going to take all this off. I'm going to take all that off. I'm going to make sure those settings stay that way. Yeah, we don't want to have any of these collecting email addresses. So I'm going to take it off and send you the video. Hopefully the video comes through and everything's good. Right. Take it easy.